Mystery Box Challenge. Animal Edition. Hey everyone! It's your buddy Brainy Bear here. Welcome back to my Mystery Box Challenge. Are you ready to guess what's inside the mystery box? Let's go! In this box, there's something special, but I won't tell you what it is just yet. Instead, I'm going to give you 3 clues to help you guess. Are you ready? Let's start with the first clue. Clue number 1. It has sharp eyes and can see its prey from far away. This animal is known for its incredible ability to fly high in the sky. What do you think it is? Think! Clue number 2. This creature can often be found soaring over mountains and sometimes even fishing in rivers. Got any ideas yet? Here's the final clue. Clue number 3. This animal has a majestic wingspan and is often seen as a symbol of freedom. It loves to glide on the wind, making it one of the most graceful creatures in the animal kingdom. All right, my friends. Do you think you know what's in the box? It's an eagle. What a magnificent bird! Let's take a look at this video showing the eagle soar over a mountain. Remember, the world is full of incredible creatures just waiting for you to find them, so get out there and let your imagination soar. Thanks for joining me on this Mystery Box Challenge. Come back next week for another adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun with Brainy Bear's adventures. See you later!